DeFi money printer here, episode 3 of ZEN Do It! Horizon featuring Token Mint live on mainnet. Let's do it. Live on mainnet. ZEN Do It. Let's do it. What is Token Mint? I mean, it's in the name. So Token Mint is its own sidechain on Horizon's ZEN sidechain interoperability Internet of Blockchains protocol. There's a chain dedicated to being able to mint your own token using custom tokenomics and without any developer knowledge at all. You can launch a token in just a few minutes. Takes few steps to get ZEN. Must be on exchanges, fiat gateways, and no account, no KYC, swap pages, simple swap, change now, transact. Refer to official project resources, horizon.io/exchanges. You can see all the different places you can get ZEN. It's a lot. It's called Horizon Global for a reason.